Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial from Vintage Radar. Today I'm going to show you how to set the time on your Esprit Quartz watch. This is going to be the model with the time only, so we do not have a date window, but in case you have a date complication or even a day-date complication, I'm going to leave a link in the description box below to a watch that has both of these, because there is going to be a big difference when it comes to setting the time and date. So on these models that have the time only, what you want to do is to pull the crown to the last position, and now we are going to rotate the watch hands in a clockwise direction. So let's say that I want to make it 2 and 30 minutes. So here I have 2 o'clock and then I'm going to make it 30, so 2:30. In order to finalize the process, we are going to push the crown all the way back in. And that is how you set the time on your Esprit Quartz watch. I'm also going to post a full guide with how to replace the watch strap and also how to replace the watch battery in case you are interested. So make sure to check those videos in the description box below. In case you enjoyed, make sure to give the thumbs up, subscribe to this YouTube channel. It really means a lot. And also, if you would like to purchase your first vintage watch, make sure to check out our website, vintageradar.com, because we have thousands of vintage watches for sale. Link in the description box below. Thank you guys for watching. I'm going to see you in the next video.